Hey guys, my name is BigS681 and welcome to another Minecraft vehicle tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make this super simple little pickup truck. Background story on this pickup truck, I needed something to pull my large trailer there. So, into the tutorial. All you need is your block of coal, a stone slab, block of your choice, carpet that goes along with the block, or if you're putting a stripe in, you'll need two colors, stone buttons for the hubcaps, and you also need all these other materials that you see in my inventory. So once you got all those, you can place down your two front tires with a 2-block gap in between. Skip 3 blocks. On the 4th block, place your back tires. And then you can fill all that in with slabs, placing a row of 3 in the front and a row of 3 in the back. Just like that. So now getting out your block of choice, I'm going to use lime concrete. Place a ring around the edge. Put a line down the middle and fill in these 2 front blocks. Put some blocks there. Now getting out your glass. Put in your windshield. You can also put on your buttons for your hubcaps. And don't forget your back window. So now once you did that, you put all that away. Now you can get out your rails and some mine carts. You can put in a couple seats. Now you want to get out your carpet and your string. Place string above the mine carts, and then you can put in your roof. Now as for getting in and out, you don't. Also, you put a hole in your roof, and that kind of looks silly. So that's pretty much the truck right there. I also got a couple variants over here. That one's pulling a trailer. You don't have to worry about the trailer hitch, because you use the hitch that's attached to the trailer. I'll have a tutorial on that, as well as the little trailer over there. So now, you can get out your fence, your ladders, something for the tail lights, your headlights, item frame, a sign, and a tripwire hook. Put 2 lighters on the front for the grill, along with your headlights. I'll use glowstone. On the back, you can put on your tail lights. I'm using red clay, as well as your license plate. Then all you gotta do, put your tripwire hooks right in the middle of the sides for your door handles. And then if you want, you can put in some fence for a roll bar. Or if you're doing it like a farm truck like this, you put it all the way along the back, fill it up with some hay bales. Or you don't have to at all. I think it looks better putting those on there anyway. And that's pretty much it. That is your completed truck. Like I said, it's super simple, real easy to make, doesn't take very long. I just needed to whip up something to pull my trailer. Also, if you want, you can put a chest in the back for like a tool chest. Or you can also put a mining cart with a chest right there, and that can act as, say, like a lunchbox. When you're going to work, and that will be your lunchbox sitting on the seat next to you. You put a torch in the bed as well for just to light it up. You put a stripe on there. This is red with a white stripe. In a previous video, I had a white truck with a yellow stripe. So that's your truck. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.